maraming salamat.
Nagpunyi ang mga sangbabaklaan.
Yeah!
Mahal ka ng mga LGBTQIA community. What's your message for them?
Of course, walang sawang pasasalamat po sa lahat ng suporta, tiwala at pagmamahal na ibinigay ninyo sa akin. You know, this is not just for me, but this is also for you. And of course, to all my fellow Sultan Cuadranteños, fellow Filipinos, hindi pa po tapos ang laban natin. Magkita-kita po tayo in December in Vietnam.
Chelsea, aside from your red lipstick, ano yung trending sa iyo? Howie event. Di ba grabe yung Howie event ng preliminary and also the final round?
Yan yung parang signature hair flip ko na ever since in 2022. Oo, so I asked my handler if gawin pa ba namin yan during the prelims and of course on the coronation night. Sabi niya yes, pero ibang atake lang. So different from the prelims and different on the coronation night. Hindi na talaga mawawala yung hair flip na sa akin and the red lipstick as well.
What's the name of that walk? What's the name of that Howie walk?
Yan po ang dapat tanungin natin sa lahat kasi I don't have any names pa for my walk. So, kayo mag-isip. Oo. Yes po.
What's your message sa lahat ng mga taong tumulong, nagmahal at kumakis para kay Chelsea?
Oo, aside po sa pagmamahal, tiwala, suporta, gumastos rin po sila. Grabe, totoo po yan. Of course, walang sawang pasasalamat po sa inyong lahat. Again, I am all bringing you in Vietnam to get that Miss Cosmo crown for the first time for the Philippines. Again, maraming salamat po from the depths of my heart.
Maraming salamat, Chelsea.
Mabuhay!
Thank you.